Hello, my name's Nicole, for those of you that don't know me. Today I'm gonna do some like amateur painting on a jacket. I've started already. Oh my gosh. I started so far. I put down a white acrylic base. I went over with some light pink. Then I took this sanding paper to trace a kind of circular design for the moon. So it says La Luna. And so what I'm going to do now is just fill in the rest of the white. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm by no means a professional artist, painter, none of that. I just thought it'd be cute, and if it goes well I might do more. So let me know if you have any ideas for another jacket. So I have a medium-sized brush. I think it's medium or large. Maybe in between medium and large. And if I haven't gone over this already, I put La Luna and the number 23 on the top left corner just to have a loteria kind of vibe. I'm honestly just trying my best to stay within the lines and do clean strokes. As I finished up the inside of the moon, I decided I wanted some eyelashes, and I went for more of a simple and bold look to add on. If you would like to see more videos like this, please drop a like or comment. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.